Hi there and welcome to inkitdesigns. Today let us create this 3D flashcard animation in Figma. So let's get started. Now to begin with, we will need two frames, one for front and one for the back. Place the image inside the front frame. Actually, we are creating a profile flip card, so let's fill in her profile. Select this two and press Shift A to add auto layout. Now select the rest and again press Shift A to add another auto layout. Now select all and again press Shift A to add all of these into auto layout. Make sure to change this into fill container. Now flip the back frame horizontally by pressing Shift H. The text layer and flip the text back so we can read it. Now place the star icon. Copy it and go to the front frame and press paste. Whoops. Actually, just go to the front frame and press Shift V. The star icon will be placed in exactly same position as it is placed in the back frame. Now let's make the flipped version of the card. Duplicate the frames and reorder the frames. Now let's rename them. Now align each card vertically as shown. Make sure that the front layer is on top of the back layer. Now we will convert them as a component. We'll create this as a component and we'll rename as unflipped. We will repeat the same with this one and we will rename it as flipped. Now select both and combine them as variants. Now the final step is let's prototype it and change the settings to Smart Animate. And finally our 3D flashcard is ready. Like today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.